Alright, welcome back to This is Belati. And today we will be working on here. This. Right now I have it zip tied, but now we've got to figure out a way to mount this. But as you can see, that's how I want my gauges. This nice and chilling right there. And then how that sits perfectly right there, nice and close. But we have to get the light hooked up with that shroud. And then I also got a new bracket license plate with turn signals, and also new grips, because these are brand new and they're cheap junk. So I got new grips, I got these bands, and I got these. Got my new turn signals, front and back, and new mount. And also got the front mount. Somehow we gotta figure out a way to put these here. Cool. So that's what we're gonna be working on. Trying to mount the light, put it on, and we will see how we do this. So that failed. So pretty much I'm gonna have to go to the drawing board again. Thought I had an idea of how it would go, but I would hope that this will bend a little bit better. Anyways, well, it's gonna be a part 2. We gotta figure this out. Gotta mount that light better. So this is it for today, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.